He's the one running behind me. Please help. Police. I'm going to the police. I'm going to the police. Look, he's following me. He's the one following me. It's the second time I have to flee my house from him. He's following me. He is guilty of violence. Look, he's the one following me. I have someone following me. Help. Police. This guy is following me. This guy is following me. SOS, this guy is following me. SOS, this guy is following me. This guy is following me. He's threatening me with abuse, and I have it on video. He's threatening me with assault and throw water on me. Yeah, this guy is following me. He's following me and threatening.
Sir, we're leaving the house. I know. I did a report for y'all.
Yeah, it's the same thing. He called you because.
Okay. So, sir, right there. Yes.
Yeah.
Why you?
I'm walking. I'm walking.
You called the police?
Huh?
You called the police?
I called you.
What's his name?
One.
What's
Because
his name?
Rene. He's following me
Okay, why is he following?
because he threatened me with throwing water and assaulting me, and I have it on video here. He's been following me since I got out of the house.
Okay.
He wants this. This is mine, and he wants it back.
Do you have a receipt for it?
We're married.
Did you give it to him as a gift or what?
No, it's mine.
It's yours.
Yeah.
You say y'all married?
Yeah,
Y'all married on paper?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So I don't know what he's doing because his violence is he's using like following me. If you want to resolve anything, just call the police or anything.
Okay, we can. So come over here to the front of my car.
Yes, sir.
Right here. Hey, lock.